What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Alanna Pearson, and today we're going to have a lot of fun. That was not very much English, but anyways, today we are going to have a lot of fun. I'm going to be doing a unboxing video for the first time ever. You can't see it, but I have a really terrible little unboxing table right now. It's just my TV tray because I don't have an unboxing table yet, but this is what we're going to be unboxing. This is Maely's Cosmetics, and I have never actually tried any of their stuff, so we're going to check this out. I know you aren't supposed to judge on immediately how you look at people or things and just appearance alone, but today we are judging on appearance alone because, full disclosure, I have never tried any of these products. I have not had any of these products before, so this is a first time for anything. So at first glance, this is super cute. It says Maely's, it says, oh my bod, it's here. Aw, oh my bod. What I have here is some body products. So, ta-da! I love how they've done their interior to be all pink with black. I feel like those are such complementary colors, and I'm obsessed. I also am just obsessed with pink and blue. These colors, these are my favorite colors, so it kind of fits my vibe. So anyways, what it's got here is it says, you look hot from this angle. Super cute. I actually love how it's put and positioned in here. Let's get right into it. So I have 3 products here to unbox for you. So what we have got is the Be Poised, Be Perky, and Be Flat. So basically I have been losing a little bit of weight, which means that there's a little bit of unwanted fat on there, and a lot of stuff isn't how it was before. So this is stuff that is supposed to help with that. Hypothetically, I have never tried it, so I don't have a review on that. Feel like y'all were very far away. So I don't have a review completely on that, but we will judge them based on their appearance alone. First things first is Be Poised. I love their packaging. I love the little bit of pink and yellow. That's super cute too. Again, very complementary colors, and it's just a really cute little package. This is a neck and décolleté firming cream. Is that how you say it? Décolleté? Is that right? Let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, I am very curious about this. I've had a bit of a double chin lately, and that's something I've been wanting to fix. So when I saw this, I thought, hey, why not? What's the worst that can happen? Actually, the worst that could happen would be that it did the opposite, but I don't know if it does. So we'll try it. I'll try anything once. Mostly, kind of, sort of. Probably not, actually.
A few moments later.
Alrighty, so here is our little Be Poised. So unboxed, here we go. It's got like a little purple sheen to it. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but the neck and décolleté or décolleté or décol something firming cream. Open that up. Ooh, it doesn't have the pink or the purple sheen on the inside. It's just a little pink lotion, pretty much, it looks like. So yeah, looking forward to trying that one out. Might be useful, hopefully. Next up, we have got Be Flat. So like I said, I have been having some problems with my midsection, with my stomach. I've been losing some weight because of it, and this is supposed to help improve cellulite appearance and help minimize appearance of stretch marks. So this is a firming belly cream, if you can see that there. And yeah, it's supposed to help and give a firmer look on your belly, which I am not opposed to. So again, worth trying. Try it. Just got to get into it first.
One eternity later.
So far I am down about 13 pounds, which has actually been a huge thing for me. Like I haven't lost this much weight probably ever in my life, so I'm very happy about it. But the stomach is one of the problem areas. So this is our Be Flat. This is what it looks like outside of the box. There we go. It has the same sheen, but probably doesn't on the inside, same as the last one. Let's spray some of this. So this is what it looks like. It does have that bit of an orange tint to it. I'm gonna put this on my belly right now. That smells delicious. It smells like mangoes. Very fruity. I love that. That is delicious. So this is basically just a cream as well. You just put it on and, oh, it has heat. The sense of heat. Wait, I want to put on a little bit more. Hold on. Hold up. Wait a minute. I'm gonna put it all over my belly. You guys can watch. I probably should have just done a little test swatch, but here we are, rubbing it all over my belly. So this is the first time I'm trying this. It does feel like it has a little bit of heat to it though, so I'm kind of into it. I would like to see how this goes, and I'm very excited. Also, this chair is very squeaky. Oops. might need a new chair. I've had this since the beginning of my YouTube career, so I guess. And then the last one, last but certainly not least, we have got Be Perky, which is a lift and firm boob mask. This is definitely probably the one I was the most excited for. Because I am a bustier human being, have found that as I've been losing weight, nothing is sitting where it was before. And that bothers me big time. So I figured that I would try this out, see what happens, hope it helps at least a little bit. Even if it helps just the slightest little bit, I'm okay with that. That's a good enough return for me. So it is worth a shot. But again, no clue. We'll figure it out in the next few weeks. If you guys want me to do like a review after using it for a while, let me know in the comments down below, because that could be fun also. I've never done that before. So that would be a whole new endeavor. So this one, ooh, it's in like a light cream. It's still shiny. I love their packaging. Their packaging is gorgeous. And here we are. Ooh. That's what that one looks like there. Hopefully that gives a little bit of a lift because the girls could use it. Let me tell you, I would not be mad about that. But yeah, I'm really excited to try all of these. So here are all 3 products together. Be Poised, Be Perky, and Be Flat. So yeah, this is supposed to help with tightening and fixing all of this. They have a whole products line and it took a while for me to actually pick some out because I was curious about so many of them. So if these ones go well, I might try some of the others. And if you guys want to see me review some of the others, let me know. But for now, this is what we got. And that's all I've got for you guys today. So if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more unboxings, let me know. Give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below and let me know that you want to see more. And obviously follow my channel, follow my Instagram at Alanna Pearson, follow my TikTok at Alanna Pearson but with another N on the end, and just check out all of my stuff. It all actually has very different content, so it is fun to follow all of them and I'm really looking forward to trying this. Thank you to Maely's for sending these to me. They were just shipped to me as a gift. I wasn't expected to do anything with them, so I figured I would do a little unboxing and check them out before I give them a try, and that is all I've got for you guys today. So yeah, that's it, that's all. Smash that like and I will see you guys in the next video.